et moi, on fait un joli petit tour.
On est là en train de manger le gilet, de boire le gilet du temps.
Et on attend notre repas.
Good morning, Dakar. Freaking freezing here, man. It's like 18 degrees with a wind chill factor 14. Freezing. So I'm taking advantage to take apart my bathing platform. I need to get some welding done. And since we're here in Dakar with Diallo, the welder that's really nearby, I can just drop this off and get this done. Been wanting to do this for a long time. This is what happens when you mix aluminum and stainless steel without any protection. Just eats it away. And I'm gonna see what yellow can offer to reinforce this. The platform to get on and off the boat is all nice and firm and welded together thanks to Diallo and Ibo. Did me a little bit of woodwork. Everything included cost me about 50 bucks. The welding, the wood and all that, and now it's nice and solid. Welds had busted on it and he reinforced it. Anyways, it's great now. Super happy. That's one more thing off the list. Every day and every night I lift up my dinghy because some of you guys out there have been giving me a hard time about my dinghy bottom being all dirty. Well, crap grows on here like crazy, all right? So when it's just laying around in the water, sure, stuff grows. That's why I'm pulling it up. And that's the great thing about having a really light dinghy. Pretty easy, light. Put it this way at an angle because it drains out some of the water that got inside it through the little valve out there. There is a whole community of fishermen on the beach. They repelled and build the vessels here called pirogues. It's one of these boats with which I had a collision. Huge.
Ça, c'est une pirogue qui ne va pas très loin.
Ça, c'est fait avec quoi? De la fibre ou c'est quoi ça?
Le sarcophage là qu'on met dans l'essence. Il y a la colle dedans.
Il y a la colle dedans aussi. Et ça rend imperméable.
Imperméable.
I met Marcus there who was giving me some insight on pirogues. The one he was working on cost about 5,000. He said this one costs about 30,000. These can go all the way up to Spain. They go into the high seas. And they have some for fishing nets and the other for loading the fish and stuff. And I asked them how come they don't have any sales. And they said they never got that culture here. Massive, massive. Huge. Really, really impressive.
This beach was once pristine and the bay teeming with fish, mollusks, lobsters, and turtles. And now, it's just horribly polluted due to rapid growth and infrastructure that apparently never followed. Obviously, there's still a lot of fish to catch out there, and the community is thriving nonetheless. And it seems the authorities are going to clean up, beginning with this new wastewater treatment plant, which is under construction. And as luck would have it, I bump into a friend. This is Alphonse the jeweler.
Ouais, Alex.
On fait une balade avec Alphonse. On va aller manger quelque chose ensemble après.
On va manger chez Boudienne avec Jomoda.
So I need to translate this in English. We're going to eat some food with Alphonse. Alphonse is my jeweler.
I asked him to make me a necklace out of this coin. Iconic Swiss coin with the image of our national hero, William Tell. Here looking like a badass in a hoodie. I'm not into bling, but damn, it's cool like that. I love it. And I only wear it on special occasions. We had to wait for lunch to be prepared, so he took me around. Here he showed me a crew that were taking apart a propeller to recycle for its metal. Bronze, I believe. We went to see an old friend of his where I tried a local juice from a local fruit.
Try this. I'm going to try this juice. Comment t'appelles ce jus?
Ça s'appelle jus de dita.
Jus de dita. Jus de dita.
No idea what it was, but it sure was good and refreshing.
Awesome. It's frozen. Man, it's delicious. Delicious. Merci, Alphonse. The drink was awesome, man. Super cool. Then he brought me to a fish processing plant. According to him, these fish would be going off to France. We went up to the cafeteria, and finally, Alphonse had some business to attend to. He's well known for his craftsmanship in jewelry. Alors Alphonse et moi, il m'a fait un joli petit tour.
On est là, quoi, en train de manger le jus de boire le jus de Dakar.
Et on attend notre repas.
Ouais.
Repas de midi. En attendant, Inch'Allah, ouais. En attendant, on a fait tout un tour du quartier là, c'était très sympa, on a été voir ça. La petite dame là, c'était comment son nom?
Ah, la vieille là, s'appelle Fatou.
Fatou. On a vu Fatou. On a donné du jus, après on était à l'usine de poissons.
On a vu encore demander une hélice de bateau.
Ouais. Et Alphonse a essayé de faire du business, mais c'est difficile.
Ouais, c'est difficile parce que les gens ne touchent pas le poche.
Food was finally ready. As usual, really good and a bargain. There's a few places across from the yacht club that prepare food for the local workers and a few foreigners. This is one of my favorite, mafé. It's made with peanut paste.
I'm walking to a solar panel store. It's about an hour away. Walked from the beach, from the yacht club. It's been about a half an hour. And at the same time, it's giving me a tour of the city here. There's all these markets on the streets and checking out stuff. I may want to get a few things here while I'm here. C'est pas mal, hein? But anyways, it's the adventure, it's an experience. I'm just so happy to be able to walk, man. You know? Simple pleasures of having a new hips, to be able to just walk. Look at that. A Washington Monument. There's a lion at the bottom of this one. This is Momo, he's going to the university, he's a social worker. He showed me around. Oh. Yeah. So he's going to go to school, he's got to get some stuff done there, and I have to go that way. I totally made a wrong turn. Should have been like an hour and a half to walk, and I've been walking for like 2 hours now. But it's alright. Getting the lay of the land a little bit. Pretty sweet. Having a cafe touba at the moment. For energy. Spicy. Yeah. Call the prayer. Look at his clothes, man. He looks good. Ain't it, Fabiana? That style. Here we're with Pape, who's helping us out with the solar solutions. He's got all the cool Victron stuff here at Solution Solaire. They're good guys. He seems really like he knows his stuff and got all the, all this Victron stuff. And I'm a little lost. Peter's helping out, and I'm looking for some stuff for Peter, and Pape here to help.
Plaisir. Peut-être que je viendrai sur le bateau.
Ouais. Aujourd'hui, il y avait du vent, hein, ça bougeait beaucoup.
Ah non, moi je viens pendant l'été quoi.
Ah ouais,
voilà.
Quand c'est tranquille.
Ouais, là c'est tranquille.
Aujourd'hui, le bateau, il faisait... J'étais là... Oh.
Moi, je suis en frileux quoi. Donc, voilà.
He says he doesn't want to be cold. Il veut pas avoir froid. Il veut venir là-bas. Oh, I've almost made it back. Crazy walk, man. It's a big city. I walked about...
Exit the roundabout onto Route de Rufisque.
About 6 kilometers. And I got another couple to go. It's hard to get anything done quickly because it's so huge, but I decided to just walk rather than take a taxi. Save money and time too. So just got to go down this road, and I'll be back at the CBD soon. So I'm in the back. Little piece of haven.
Parle avec lui.
Je parle avec moi.
C'est
Ça
qui?
c'est ta femme.
Oui.
Ça c'est moi.
Non, non, c'est lui qui parle avec lui.
Je parle avec moi. Je pas compris.
Ah bon, c'est moi ta femme. Hein?
Ouais, ça c'est
Voilà.
ta femme.
Ça c'est Alex.
Ouais. J'adore comme Diego s'occupe de ma voix. C'est vraiment un maître. Ouais. Et il a travaillé dimanche en plus.
Ouais. Ah ouais.
Aïe, aïe, aïe. Je suis accompagné par Chantal. Elle sort là. On va au marché. We're going to the market to Columbine.
Comme il est tout bas, il est venu chez nous, on va prendre pas de taxi. Non, ça sera chic. Il n'y aura pas de taxi. Avec les cartes, tu parles comme ça. Allez.
We're going to be taking a bus. We're taking a bus. On va prendre le bus.
On va prendre le bus pour aller à
Columbine. Great escort, huh?
Tu vas payer 100 francs.
So, you're gonna pay $100. Means about.
Thanks for coming aboard Galopine Winded Voyage. This is our studios. You know, it's the good people on Patreon who are making this happen and keeping us afloat. Hope you'll join our community there. We've got a lot of cool extra perks this year, like live updates, news, photos, videos, and I've even taken a stab at writing some short stories which are not for general audiences on YouTube. Plus, our friend and patron Graham started a WhatsApp chat that he aptly called Galopin's Cockpit. Guys from all over have joined, and we can talk, chat, uncensored, say whatever we want, and discuss anything. And it's this community that's contributing to the continuation of this Living Adventure series. Or you can watch for free on YouTube. Just make sure to give us a like or dislike or leave a comment, and definitely subscribe. So thanks for coming along on Winded Voyage, man.
Anything that you do, everything that you do, everything that you do now.